everyone, welcome to this session. We were doing understanding quadrilaterals. In that we will see the first exercise. Fine. Before we move on to this, we will recall whatever we have learnt in the previous session. Fine. So we have learnt about what a polygon is, and also we did some activity on quadrilateral. Do you remember, children? Now tell me, what is a polygon? A polygon is a closed figure or closed curve which is made up of only line segments like these two, right? All others are made up of curves, and this is very complicated, so it doesn't come under a polygon. Fine. So it is a closed figure which is made up of line segments. It can be three-sided closed figure which is called triangle, right? Based on size we have classified these polygons like triangle, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. Then pentagon has 5 sides. Hexagon 6 sides. Like this we classified the polygons. And then we also learned about convex and concave polygons, right? What is this? This is a example for concave polygon, where you can see a cave type of figure. And this is an example for convex polygon. Okay, do you remember, children? And also we learnt about regular and irregular polygons. What do you mean by regular polygons? A polygon which has all the sides equal, measurement of all the sides equal, and also the measurement of angles equal. All the angles also will be equal. Whereas irregular, it need not be, right? So this much we have learnt. And also, what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral consists of 4 sides and 4 angles. So like this. This is an example for quadrilateral. So now coming on to this exercise 4.1. So in that, given here are some figures. Classify each of them on the basis of the following. What is it? Simple curve, simple closed curve, polygon, convex polygon, concave polygon. Now we have to identify these figures which classification it will come under. So one by one we will check. Okay, first we will see simple curves. So just examine these figures, identify the simple curves. Now this is a simple curve, right? When I start from one point, I can, without lifting the pen or pencil, I can draw this. So this comes under simple curve. So I'll just write figure 1, okay? And then this also is an example of simple curve. Now look at this third one. Is it a simple curve? You have 2 circles here. Obviously you have to lift the pen, right? Lift your hand to draw these 2 circles. So this is not a simple curve. And the same way, this looks very complicated, right? You have to start from this point, go the other way. So this also is not a simple curve. Now coming to this one, look at this. This comes under simple curve. Okay, so I'm going to write here fine. Now examine 6th one. 6th one, it looks like some cylinder. So this is also a simple curve. So now the 7th one, this is an example for concave figure, okay, concave curve. So this also we can draw easily, right? So this is also an example for simple curve. What about this one, 8th one? 8th one, we have to draw 2 circles and join them with the line. So this is not simple, this is complicated. Now coming to the simple closed curve. So here it is closed, right? So 1, I'm going to write down here 1, then 2. 2 is also a closed curve, and this is closed but not simple. So this doesn't come under simple closed curve. You're able to understand, children? Observe this carefully. 3rd one, this is a closed curve but it is not simple. Fine. Now coming to the 4th one, this is complicated, so it doesn't come under simple at all. Then 5th one, of course, yeah, 5th one, it is closed as well as simple. It is closed. Then 6th one is also simple as well as closed. Then 7th one, yes, obviously it is simple and closed. Eighth one is not simple. It is closed, but here the curve, the line is also present, so it is not simple and not closed also. So now coming to polygon. So just now we recalled about polygon. What is a polygon? It's a closed curve which is made up of line segments, right? So we are going to find out here which is that closed figure which is made up of line segments. The first one, yes, the first one is made up of line segments and it is closed. The second one, yes, second one is also a polygon. What about third one? It is not made up of line segments, so third one is ruled out. Fourth one, it's not a polygon. Next, fifth one, no, it's made up of curve. Here also you can see the curve here, right? The bottom one and then the top one. So these are, though it has two line segments, but the top and the bottom is made up of curve. So sixth one is also ruled out. Then seventh one also consists of curve and eighth one also consists of curve, so it is not a polygon. Now coming to convex polygon. What do you mean by convex polygon? A polygon which is made up of line segments obviously, and also the angles will be less than 180 degree. So here if you see here, this is more than 180 degree. By just looking at itself, you can identify this is a reflexive angle, so this is not a convex polygon. Now coming to this one, the second figure. Second figure is a convex polygon. So I'm going to write down here 2. Because all the angles are less than 180 degree. So all others are not polygons. So here itself we have ruled out, right? All the other polygons, all the other figures are not polygons. Now coming to concave polygon. So the name itself suggests it is made up of cave. So this is the only one which is having the angle which is more than 180 degree. So I'm going to write here the first figure. First figure is your concave polygon. Understood, children? I hope you have understood this much.